This is the smallest Pi setup that I have, a Raspberry Pi 3 set up with the SenseHat hardware attachment, and then wireless keyboard, and then wireless mouse, and a very, very small 4-inch screen. But to show you the power of the Raspberry Pi, I have this set up playing YouTube. So full internet capabilities on this simply by going to their browser. And the browser on here is web browser. And then from here I can go to type in the URL of whatever it is that I'm interested in and be able to get to where I need to go. In addition to that, let's go ahead here and get to, oh yeah, I already set this up, Libre. Okay, here's their word processing. And in the word processing with this wireless keyboard, and I'm going to QUICK, quick, red, fox. So as you can see, with the wireless keyboard, you can also enter text into the screen, into their word processing document, as well as your programming code, if you choose to do that here. And let's go to Scratch. No, actually, let's go to Python, idle. And in a moment, the idle will come on. And there's the idle that you're all familiar with. So pretty compact little system. As I said, this is 4+, almost 5-inch diagonal HDMI monitor. The HDMI monitor is really cool. Hooks up via HDMI cable and is powered with a micro SD cable there. Micro SD, HDMI goes there, and this guy I simply have set up, propped up against the speakers. The speaker port is connected to, speakers are connected to the 3.5 millimeter audio port right there, and the wireless keyboard is connected through Wi-Fi to this receiver over here, and the mouse also to another USB port. So both of these are wireless to the Raspberry Pi. So this is as compact a system as you can get that is still fully functional, very high resolution, as you can see, and does a great job. And to show you what program code could look like on here, let me go to one that I have written earlier, and that would be under programming, and I did that under Thonny. And you can see in just a moment the program that allows us to play with the time display on the SenseHat. And let's get here again, and Thonny, there we go. All right, must have missed clicking it the first time. And let's see what will appear to us in just a moment. Python, new tab, Chromium, Thonny is right here. There we go. And I just needed to get to the correct tab. And as you can see, this is a very high resolution little screen. And there's my code for the SenseHat to display and colors, while statement, for statements, if statements, another for if else, something that you all are very familiar with, and pretty cool, yes. So you can do all your programming tasks that we're doing in the automate the boring stuff with Python tasks on a very simple little screen like so. Perfect. Thank you very much.